I was going through my archive of videos and found this little gem of a teardown. This was my friend's Corsair 120mm all-in-one water cooler. It's meant to cool a CPU, but this one was no longer working. I decided to take it apart because we thought the pump had failed. The part that mounts to the CPU contains the water block and the pump. And then that water block has tubes that connect it to the radiator. 120 millimeters refers to the fact that this only uses one fan slot. If it was a 240 millimeter radiator, it would be twice as long and would accommodate two 120 millimeter PC fans. Kind of a weird naming convention, but that's how these things work. I tried to get the tubes off the water block gently, but I ended up just cutting them because they were crimped in place. I was expecting a bunch of water to pour out of these tubes, but they were suspiciously dry. I continued by disassembling the front of the water block by removing 8 screws on the copper plate. And this is where the problem presents itself. The water passages are absolutely plugged with some kind of growth. This was disgusting. The fins on the water block itself seemed clean, but the opening going to the water lines is plugged. Certainly not going to be pumping water through that. I'm not really sure how something like this happens. There might have been a small hole somewhere in the system, or maybe the coolant was contaminated from the factory. Perhaps the system was just past its usable lifespan. I'm not really sure how long these things are meant to last. Just for the fun of it, I decided to pull this thing apart the rest of the way. 10 screws later, we can see the pump. There isn't really much to it, just a plastic impeller which spins freely. I was thinking that maybe this was jammed up and that was the original problem, but seems like the pump should work just fine. You can also see that there's more growth on this part of the shell as well. Anyway, that's it for this video. Not really much to it. Just thought this was an interesting little device. Have a good one, guys. Bye.